Someone's going too fast. Whoa, 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 whoa! What the fudge? 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 What in the fudge and fudge is this? It's really a shitty place to stop, dude. Stop! No helmet, riding against traffic. Okay, you did a shitty job.
Springfield, I am your working class DJ.
You turned from the wrong lane. Come on, dude, will you? And I bluff now. Yeah. 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 Thank you, New York. Go back there. Stay there. And exit dive. Why are we braking all of a sudden here? Because you're rest area diving. Thank you. Slow down, make sure you stop. You're going kind of fast there. Oh, you blew it. Good girl. Oh. Thank you. Do you have flashing red, or? Because if you didn't have flashing red, he ran the red light. And of course, Toyota jerked to the left lane, cutting everybody off. Yep, you had a red arrow. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. Uh-oh!
Prius
alert! Yo! Stay in your lane! Because Prius. Exit regret, exit out, I know what this is. Wrong side of the friggin' road. Because Toyota. hands on the fucking wheel, lady. Not the time to be checking your fucking makeup. Christ's sake. Yeah. Is that? Exit dive.